Hello students, now I am going to start question number 6 of exercise 3.1. Now in this question we have write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. That means here we have 9, 2, then we have blank, then 3, 8, 9. In this blank place we will have to consider one digit. So that according to the divisibility rule of 11, that if the difference of sum of the digit at odd places and sum of the digit at even places is 0 or multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11, right? So here again we will consider the places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The position we will have to find, because here we have to find the digit at odd places as well as even places. So sum of the digit at odd places are, here we don't know any number, so here we can consider as x. So the digit at odd places are 9, x and 8, and if you add these two, 3, 9 plus x plus 8, then 9 plus 8 is 17 and 17 plus x. Now the sum of the digit at even places. Okay, now the digit at even places are 2, 3 and 9. So if you add this, then we will get 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Now we will have to find the difference, okay, and if the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. Now here it cannot, the difference cannot be 0, because here already we have 17 which is greater than 14. Now here we have to take the number in such a way that that should be added to 17, right? So that means it cannot be 0, right? If instead of 17 some number is there, suppose, which is less than 14, then some number can be added with that number to make 14, and 14 minus 14 will be 0, right? So here we cannot make 0, because here already we have 17 and the number we have to take, that number should be added to 17. Okay, so it cannot be 0. Now we will have to take how, since it cannot be 0, so we will have to take how it can be the multiple of 11, right? Now we will have to find the difference. So therefore the difference of these two will be 17 plus x minus 14, because sum of the digit at odd places will be subtracted, even places will be subtracted from odd places. So here is even places and here is odd places. These two you will subtract, then you will not get 0, you will get the multiple of 11. See, here is 11. Okay, now 17 minus 14, how much? 3. Okay, as 17 is having greater one, means 17 is greater one than greater than 14, and the sign of 17 is positive, so the number with 3 will be positive. So here is positive, so 3 plus x is equals to 11. Now the value of x will be 11 minus 3, because 3 is coming to another side, so sign changes, so plus will be minus, so 11 minus 3 is 8. So in missing place it will be 8. Okay, now if you want to check, like in this place 17, so odd places we have taken the sum of the digit, which is 17 plus x. Now if you put the value of x, which we have got 8, so 8 plus 17 is 25, and odd even places we have 14. So if you find the if you do the subtraction, then the difference will be 25 minus 14, which is 11, and 11 is divisible by 11, so the answer will be 8. Okay, now in the next part we have 8, then blank, 9, 4, 8, 4. So again we will have to mark this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sum of the digit at odd places is 8, then odd places is 9 and 8, right? So 8 plus 9 plus 8, how much? 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 8 is 25. Okay, now here in the blank place we can consider as x. Now we will have to find the sum of the digit at even places. So it will be this, this and this. So x plus 4 plus 4. So it will be 4 plus 4, 8. So x plus 8. Now what should be here in the blank place? Now first of all, we if we make 0 here, means the multiple, if the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, right? So here how it can be 0? Is it possible to make 0? See, in the blank space, means in this place of x, if you take 17, then 17 plus 8 is 25, and 25 minus 25 is 0. But we as here is only one blank place, that means we cannot take 2-digit number, we have to take 1 digit only. So that means it cannot be 0. So we will check how it can be 11. So the difference will be, so odd places we have 25, and then if you find the difference of this, then we have is equals to 11. Okay, so 25 minus, here is minus, so minus plus minus minus 8 is 11. So here 25 minus 8 is 17. 25 minus 8 is 17, and here we have minus x is equals to 11. Now taking x on another side and taking 11 on left hand side, so 17 will remain same, 11 we are taking from right hand side to left hand side, so sign of 11 will change, so plus 11 will be minus 11, and minus x we are taking on the right hand side, so sign will change, minus will be plus, so the value of x will be 17 minus 11 is 6. Okay, now if you want to check this, if you want to put the value of x 6 here, let's check like some of the digit at odd places we have got 25, and even places, some of the digit at even places we have x plus 8. So in place of x, if you put 6 here, so 8 plus 6 is 14. Now if you find the difference, see, if you find the difference of this, 25 minus 14 is 11, and 11 is divisible by 11, so the answer will be 6. Okay, so this was all about question number 6. Thank you, students.